Wheatstone Bridge. Wheatstone Bridge have 4 resistors R1, R2, R3 and R4. Across the points A and C, an AC source is connected. This is called battery arm. For simplicity, we assume that the cell has no internal resistance. Between the other two vertices B and D, a galvanometer G is connected. This line BD is called as galvanometer arm. Why galvanometer is used in Wheatstone Bridge? Because galvanometer needle deflects when current is passing through the galvanometer, and the needle of the galvanometer rests at 0 when no current is passing through the galvanometer. Galvanometer is used in Wheatstone Bridge to ensure that electric current is not passing through the point B and D. What is balanced bridge condition? In the case of balanced bridge, where the resistors are such that Ig is equal to 0, it means there is no current passing through the galvanometer. There is no current flowing between the vertices B and D. The current passing between the vertices A and D have to pass in between the vertices D and C. There is no other option. So, the current I1 is equal to the current I3. Similarly, the current passing in between the vertices A and B have to pass in between the vertices B and C. So the current I2 is equal to the current I4. What is the use of Wheatstone Bridge? Here we have 3 resistors with known resistance and another one resistor with unknown resistance. Wheatstone Bridge is used to find out the resistance of the unknown resistor. Kirchhoff's law. Let's apply Kirchhoff's loop rule to closed loop ADBA. The algebraic sum of changes in potential around any closed loop is 0. Minus I1 R1. Here minus symbol is used due to current is in anti-clockwise direction. Minus I1 R1 plus 0 plus I2 R2 is equal to 0. Let's call this equation as equation 1. Applying Kirchhoff's law to the loop CBDC, I4R4 plus Ig is equal to 0, so 0 minus I3R3. Here minus symbol is used due to current is in anti-clockwise direction, is equal to 0. As we know, current I4 is equal to current I2 and current I3 is equal to current I1. So, In this equation, we can replace I4 by I2 and we can replace I3 by I1. Let's call this equation as equation 2. From equation 1, we can write I1 divided by I2 is equal to R2 divided by R1. And from equation 2, we can write I1 divided by I2 is equal to R4 divided by R3. Here, both I1 divided by I2 is same. R4 divided by R3, which is equal to R2 divided by R1. So, we can write R4 is equal to R2 divided by R1 multiplied by R3. This is the equation of Wheatstone bridge to find out unknown resistor. How to calculate resistance of unknown resistor using Wheatstone bridge? Here we don't know the resistance of resistor R4 and we know the resistance of R2, R1 and R3. Applying the values to the equation, we get R4 is equal to 3 ohm.